everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. So today I'm doing some clocks, but I found some little boards, bring you in for a close-up here, that are just squares. They've got little handles here in the back. And so I bought them from Michael's, and I thought it'd be kind of cute to make little clocks out of them. So I'm gonna do 2 clocks today. Actually, maybe 3, because I found another board that's actually made for a clock. It's a square. Again, bought from Michael's. I'm making these clocks to sell on my website, but I also sell them at my Christmas store that I do every November, December. So I thought I would try these out. Maybe do some blooms, maybe do some painting on them, like doing some sort of flip cups or something. So let's get down and get started. Be right back. All right. So I've got my PPG Multi-Pro. I'm gonna put this down in the center here. Our first color, which is going to be my greenish blue from Amsterdam. Put a lot down. Next will be Mermaid from TLP. This is gold, Pebeo Studio Acrylics. And a little Mermaid from TLP. Let's use some black cell activator. Didn't like that blowout. Let's go again. I think we're ready to spin. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. I love this color combination. I'm gonna put down a little bit of right here on the edges to kind of help it flow out more. Throw out another. This time we're going to do a different color. Some greenish blue. Let's go with some gold. Mermaid. Throw in some Groovy from TLP. I think we'll go with Black Cell Activator again. All right, let's give her a spin. Look at that, really cool. Mystic Mauve. This is a color art pigment, if I'm not mistaken. Let's just put on some greenish blue. And this time we're going to use 2 cell activators. We're going to use black, white, and black. give her a spin. Oh yeah, look at that. Really nice. Go again. All right, guys, here we are with the wet results. So loving how these really spun out. Love the color selection. This is first one. All right, everyone, that's gonna do it. So this is the first clock. It's got its hands. Pardon the glare with the resin, but it is all set to go. Dried really great. Each clock gets 2 coats of resin. This is the second clock. And that's the back. So you just gotta insert a battery. But again, really nice. And the third clock. These are gonna sell so well at my Christmas store in November and December. But if you're interested in these clocks, you can email me or direct message me on my socials. But let me know if you want one of these. I can make you one, or if you want one of these, let me know. I can get you this one shipped out as well. So, all right, everyone, thanks for watching. Everyone have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.